How to calculate your loan repayment plan using the IFS function. For example, here I've got a list of items that are out on loan, and I want to check their status where loan items greater than 30 days old are overdue, items equal to 30 days old are due, and the items less than 30 days old and not due. With IFS, we can check if today's date minus the loan date is greater than 30, then we're going to return the text overdue. Alternatively, if today's date minus the loan date is equal to 30, then we'll return the text due. And lastly, everything else must be not due, and therefore we can skip the last logical test and just enter true here, and this will return the text not due, and each loan item is now classified into overdue, not due, or due. That's it.